I hope you are doing well and safe in this crisis of COVID-19. I am Gaurav K Mishra. I will take your class on working details. So, in working details, you are required to draw different type of plans, different sections, different details which are required for constructions. So in this subject, first of all, you are required to know that how to work, how from where to start. Suppose you are given a task to design a trench plan, some basic thing. So for trench plan, what you are required to do? For trench plan, you are required to need the width of the trench and height of the trench. So for width and height of the trench, you need to refer the section. So I would like to suggest you that first of all draw a section of external wall of your building of your project so that you can take the measurement from this section and you can interpret to the plan. While you are drawing the trench plan, you need to know the width of the trench. So from where you will get it from the section. From section you will get the width of the trench. For example, if it is 900, so what you will do, you will take the center line of the wall which is given in the plan, which is given in the drawing, and you will take offset of 450 mm either sides and you will draw the trench plan. Now you have to identify at which level you need to draw the plans. So for that you need to refer the external wall section. In external wall section, next level you will get the lean concrete level or brick ballast level. The same as the width of the trench plan, the same is the width of the lean concrete or brick ballast. So again this plan will be drawn by you in AutoCAD format or manually. The next critical part is your foundation, steps of foundation at different steps. You know that at an angle of 30 or 60 or 45, your foundation is increasing. So steps are drawn. One course of each of the course is drawn by considering the width of each of the course, which is referred by the section. And after this, you will have to give the plinth wall, plan of the plinth wall. Plan of the plinth wall will be same as the plan of as the width of the wall, thickness of the wall. So same is taken from the section and you will draw the plan of that plinth wall. Now comes most important thing, that is damp proof course. In damp proof course you are required to know that where damp proof course is to be given and where it is not to be given. So below the doors you will not provide the damp proof course, because if you will give the damp proof course to the below the doors, your door will not be operable. Your door will not be able to open. Next level is your lintel level. At lintel level, you will give a concrete base, a concrete bed. So you need to draw the plan at lintel level. Next important level is your beam level. At beam level, you will get the thickness, the width, and the height of the beam, and you will draw the plan. Next important level is the slab level. At slab level, you will give the overall width and overall length of the slab along with reinforcement details. Whether it is cantilevered slab or simply supported slab, if it is simply supported slab, the reinforcement will be given at the bottom of the slab. If it is cantilevered slab, the reinforcement will be provided on the upper side of the slab. Now comes the parapet wall and coping. So you will have to give the plan of parapet wall and coping. So these all are plans which you are required to work out. But along with that, you will have to draw the sections. So simultaneously you will draw the section and plan, so that you can come to the plan after drawing section, and after drawing plan you will come to the section. So simultaneously you will have to draw both the things, so that you can have better understanding of your project. After it you will draw the elevation. In elevation you will get the ups and downs. So for that you will take a reference level, that this is 0 0 level. From there this is the level which is coming out, so you will give it plus 450. There is the level which is going down, so then you will write minus 300. So for example, if these are the levels for example, so same you will have to do in the case of elevation. Now coming to the working details. Working details means you will have to see the joints, different type of joints. Joints between earth and leaf concrete, earth concrete and brick and DPC and concrete, DPC and wall, DPC and concrete base, wall and beam, slab and parapet, coping and parapet. So all these details you can merge some of the details. For example, the contact between earth and lean concrete, you will draw a section of substructure, and you will give the detail of the entire foundation. But for connection of beam and wall, for connection of slab and wall, you will have to give another type of detail. So for that you will have to prepare all these detail. Along with that you will have to give the rainwater harvesting plan, rain surface rain slope plan, and other plans. Along with that you will have to give the staircase detail. For staircase detail you need to know that what is the clear height between two floors, between the floor and upper floor. So suppose this is 3100. So in 3100 you are taking, for example, you are taking the height of the riser 150 mm. So approximate 21 steps will come. 20 steps of 150 mm and 100 step of 100 mm of one step of 100 mm. But it is wrong. It is totally wrong. It is called end riser effect. Means you are decreasing the height of last step, so that will not be comfortable for walking, for persons who are using this stair. So what we need to do, we need to divide the 3100 into equal 21 parts, and after that you will take the dimension of the riser up to the level of upper level. Same with the toilet detail. In toilet detail, while you are drawing the tile detail or tiling layout, you need to know that at which point what is the portion which will be most visible while you are entering into the bathroom. Suppose it is the frontage of the bathroom, so while you will have to give the full tile on the floor at that corner while you are doing your toilet designing. Along with that, now you will have to know about some of the service plans like electrical plan and plumbing plan. So for that you need to consider you need to refer your residence. Your residence plan will be available with you. Your residence is with you. You need to know that how much impaired socket is there, and how it is connected with the different type of electrical fixture. In plumbing detail you have learned about plumbing details, what is the water supply and sanitation services, building services. So you can work out with those things. While you are doing your toilet detail, you need to give the center line of those fixtures, toilet fixtures, and all these things. Thank you all.